LiGRE is a web-based qualitative data analysis application. Its web-based platform makes it compatible with any device, be it a computer, tablet, or cell phone. LiGRE also makes teamwork easier. You can invite team members to work on all your LiGRE projects, regardless of their package. These features have been combined with LiGRE's qualitative data analysis tools, creating a unique cloud-based teaching platform called the Laboratory. This teaching platform allows you to share educational content with your students, monitor their progress, and assist them throughout their project. This platform can be tried for free. To do so, click on the Create card in the app homepage. The simple and intuitive design of the main page allows you to easily edit information, invite colleagues, and add students. Colleagues have the same privileges as the laboratory owner. They can assist the laboratory owner in managing the follow-up of the students' projects and help them in their work. The free package allows you to invite 3 students to your laboratory. A research project will automatically be created in your laboratory for each invited student. These projects all have the features of standard LiGRE projects. By default, these projects will take the image, title, and description defined for the laboratory. However, students can customize their project after joining the platform. They can also invite classmates to join their projects. Additional team members will be visible in the project list of the laboratory. The first option displayed in the project list allows the laboratory owner, colleagues, and students to access the public pages of all laboratory projects. Public pages allow students to submit content related to their research. By default, access to these pages is limited to lab members. However, they can be made fully public if students choose to do so. Many shortcuts have been implemented in the application to allow the project members to quickly publish charts, images, text excerpts, and files on their public page. The public page can also be used to share with their teacher and classmates. The other options featured in the project list are limited to the lab owner and their colleagues. They are used to grade student projects, email the project members, monitor student progress, and remove a project from the laboratory. The project list also includes a summary showing the progress of each project. Owing to the project monitoring option, the lab owner and their colleagues also have the ability to enter student projects and assist them directly. Once in a student project, they can actively participate in it, since all the options are open to them. Lab owners can expand the scope of their teaching laboratory by purchasing a premium plan. Each premium laboratory plan is unique and tailored to your requirements and your students' needs. Premium laboratories automatically receive a teaching project. This project can be used to illustrate various techniques and methods in classroom sessions. The public page of this project can also be used to share teaching material with students. All lab members are automatically notified whenever new content is posted. The advanced features of this page can be used to build a library from which your students can draw. Set quick links in the table of contents. and add a search bar. Students can also ask their teacher questions through this page. Log on to LiGRESoftware.com now for a free trial of LiGRE's Teaching Laboratory and find out how this platform can make teaching qualitative data analysis easier. Thank you for watching.